So I guess there's not as much playing today as much as checking out this stand that I was actually interested in myself. But this one's a little bit more special than normal. Never even seen one of these before. Made in USA, made in Texas. Huh, okay. So here's the base plate. And this is kind of cool. This looks handwritten. I don't think it's printed. Like, this looks handwritten. And, you know, just saying thank you. I don't know how small the company is. It could be kind of big, but, you know, little things like that, that's pretty cool. To hold the headstock, and yeah, I heard it comes with, I think, lemon oil. Because you're supposed to condition the stand. You know, just a mahogany stand. But, God, I feel like Gandalf holding this. So what makes this stand special is what's on the base plate. And here it is. This Zither stand has the Know Your Gear logo on it. And this isn't a decal. This is laser etched into the wood. He didn't charge extra to have the Know Your Gear logo laser etched into the stand. And he was very adamant about making sure that people wouldn't have to pay more. So they did it. And a small little thing that's kind of cool about the company is the guy who's in charge of Zither really likes what Phil's doing on his channel. So even though they're 1,400 stands back ordered and behind, he still really wanted to do this project. So that's pretty cool. It's just to enjoy a piece of gear, just to say thank you to the sales and the people supporting the channel and people supporting this product. So I thought I'd give it a shot too. So it comes with its own Zither lemon oil. And I think 2 picks. That's pretty cool. So I should probably point out it's got nice felt tips. So it's going to be safe on whatever surface you put it on. The original Z stand. ZitherUSA.com. Made in USA. So there's the Know Your Gear logo. Laser etched. Here's a look at the stand. See if I can twist this just a little bit. Here's a nice side view. Let's get that to focus. Nice. I'm liking it. Okay, so it's a little oily, so I don't really want to touch the wood as much, but like, you know, here's the stand. And, you know, why not test it with the King of Jacksons? So I guess the whole point of these things is it has this design where like you can tip it or bump into it. It's not really tip, but like bump into this thing and your guitar is not going to fall over. I mean, I probably have the guitar a little too close to this stuff right now, but like my point is like, and also it can rock a pretty decent amount. I'm bitch slapping this stand right now. Looks like so far it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. But I think it's kind of neat. So I'd say thanks, Phil, and thanks to the people at Zither for making this stand.